Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling what matters: sticks, glue, a small circular base, and cutting tools. Use the ruler to mark a diameter on your base so the tower won't lean. Precision here prevents wobble later. Once your sticks are trimmed to consistent lengths, dry fit a single layer around the base to test spacing. This shows where to adjust lengths or sanding. Make sure the glue is ready and a clamp or weight is nearby, because quick placement keeps the structure aligned as you build. You'll now form the lighthouse shaft by placing sticks vertically around the base, spacing them evenly so the curves sit tight. This creates the cylindrical wall. Once a full ring is set, glue small horizontal bands of cut sticks on the inside and outside every 1 to 1.5 inches. These act like mortar and prevent splitting. If seams are uneven, sand and trim before the glue cures, because fixing alignment later becomes harder and can weaken the whole tower. Finish by capping the tower. Shape a cone from trimmed sticks or sturdy cardstock and glue it to the top, making sure the fit is centered so the lighthouse looks balanced. Once cured, paint stripes and attach a tiny railing and a cup for an LED. These add realism and protect the light. If the model leans or gaps appear, clamp the affected area, insert a slim internal brace, and let everything cure for 24 hours. This corrects alignment and strengthens the joint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.